Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about hand expression and explain why it is a helpful skill for many new mothers to learn. Hand expression is a simple technique that allows mothers to collect milk without using a manual or electric pump. Many mothers learn this method as an additional option during their feeding journey. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Since no equipment is required, hand expression can be useful at home, while traveling or anytime a pump is not available. Before you begin, always wash your hands thoroughly and prepare a clean storage container. Good hygiene is an important part of a safe milk collection routine. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment makes the process feel easier. When practicing hand expression, use slow and gentle movements. There is no need to rush. Patience and a steady rhythm often make the process more comfortable. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, don't be discouraged. Like any new skill, hand expression becomes easier with practice and confidence. Some mothers use hand expression before pumping, while others use it after a pumping session or whenever they need a simple alternative. After collecting the milk, transfer it to a clean storage container, label it if needed, and store it according to safe storage guidelines. Remember that every mother's experience is different. It may take a little time to find the technique that feels most comfortable for you. With practice, patience, and consistency, hand expression can become a valuable skill and a useful part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.